Okay, what we're doing here today is we're going to show the pressure change when you go from an elbow to a dryer vent. We're going to do a couple different ones. Got this one, got the Innovate, we got a plastic one. This is a foot long, this is 2 feet. That's a 90-degree elbow. This is 3 feet long, and then this is another 2 feet. So we're gonna connect them up, and we're gonna get us a reading. I have this backwards. We're gonna get a reading from the dryer without anything connected, and then we're gonna go start adding parts and see what we get. And then these are 90-degree long sweep elbows, and a 45 long sweep elbow. So we're gonna kind of swap parts out and see what kind of reading we get with our Magna Helix, which is connected up to the dryer right there. We have a camera on that, so we're gonna put that together. Okay, so here we go. Dryer's on air only. We got nothing blowing. We're going to connect this guy up. Now we're going to add a piece of 3 foot to this. And remember, we're not using any tape. This is just for demonstration purposes, just to show you what this does. So this 3 foot piece gets us 0.1617. All right, now we're going to do an elbow. By itself. .90-degree elbow, 0.25. All right. We're going to do another piece of pipe. And get it together. Yep. That brings our reading to, well, 0.23. Let's make sure we got this all connected good. That one's good. That one's good. 0.24. It actually went down. The static pressure went down when we added that long piece. Interesting. Okay, now we're going to start with your standard hood vent. It has a flap on it. .31. Okay. Let's try the louvered. .28. Better than the metal. Let's try to innovate. Oops, I'm holding it in my hand. Not doing good here. Pull this out. All together. Innovate. Ooh, 0.26. Even better than the plastic. We like that. Okay. So now we're going to try with the Innovate ball vent. We're going to do a new 90 here. See what we get with that. I'm going to pull this off. Actually, let's start with a 45. Well, we'll go with a 90 first. Two, one. I like that. That's a huge difference just with a smooth 90. All right. Oops, came off. .45 and a new ball vent. Let's see what we get. Oh, 0.20. So 0.20 with the 45. That was very interesting, that adding a pipe on top of the 90 made the pressure go down a little. I'm going to redo that because I want to see that again. So we're going to pull this off. Put this back on. We're getting the 0.25. Then we're going to put a piece of pipe back on it. See what we get. .24. So it's actually the same. Interesting. So that didn't change much with 2 feet on there. We'll add another piece here. Here's another 2-footer. See what we get with another 2 feet. Actually went down. Changed the airflow. Let's make sure we got this right. 0.23. Interesting. Okay, so now we're going to add another 3-footer and another elbow, and we're just going to see what we get. Okay, try that again. Two-footer, elbow. One last connection. Make sure they're all tight. All right. So we've got going under the desk there. That's a foot plus 3. There's 4. There's another 4. That's 8 plus 3. Jeez. 11 feet. plus 2 elbows. And that gives us a reading of 0.34. That's very interesting. We'll try one more experiment here. A little offset. See this a lot where they have to go up under a 2x. Like this. Couple of elbows. What's that give us? 0.32, 0.33. So those elbows make a difference, but 2 elbows going like this. Couple of elbows. What's that give us? 0.32. We're going to add this guy, see what we get. 0.32 didn't change, 0.33. So those elbows make a difference, but 2 elbows going like that, which thing was 0.32. This guy, no elbows. Back to this. No elbows. .28 with so 0.38, 32, 28. So it's not a tremendous amount, but it is some. All right, and that ends our experiment.